Greetings and salutations, this is Syndicate from Anne Bonny's Locker, and this is my friend Phoebe, branded a Bebarfald Blue-Bird. She was actually made by a company called Minerva in Czechoslovakia, but imported as a clean skin into Australia and given the Bebarfald Blue-Bird branding. The cabinet is made in Australia by Bebarfald. Bebarfald were a Sydney department store, and they specialised in the 1920s and early 30s making the most exquisite cabinets for the sewing machines they sold. By the end of the 1930s the quality had gone way down, but this Minerva central bobbin is my favourite machine for doing free motion embroidery. When I'm doing this, I find everything disappears. I can't really think of anything else. It's just me, my machine, and the work that I'm doing, and the machine becomes an extension of who I am. And that's the thing, when you're sewing or doing any other form of art, it's good to just relax into it and feel the flow. The tools become an extension of your body, and it's almost as if everything is connected. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and I'll see you next time.